Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a QR code in Canva. So first, you need to open the Canva, or you can also use the Canva application. QR codes are useful because they can link directly to the websites. So for example, let's link to a YouTube channel. This way people can scan the code and go straight to the channel without searching or typing the address. So first of all, you need to go ahead and copy the YouTube channel link that you want to create a QR for. Now from the left-hand side of the screen, select Apps. Now scroll down and you'll get the option of QR code right here. Go ahead and select it. Then after, select Open from the bottom. Now enter your URL in this box. Paste the link that you just copied and select Generate Code, which is highlighted in purple color. And your QR code will be instantly generated. Now you can go ahead, tap on Share. Then select Download. Select your file type and select download again to save it on your computer. You can rename it and then tap on save, and this will be saved to your gallery. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.